Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the difficulty level of chess matches on chess.com. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me explain that for obvious reasons it is not always possible to change the difficulty level on chess.com. For example, in matches online against human opponents, it's not possible, of course, but it is possible in some of these play modes. For example, in playing against a computer coach. For example, if you'd like to work on your chess knowledge or skills, and by playing a practice mode with some advices and hints by the computer coach, and you may change the difficulty level here. This is how you can do it. Navigate to chess.com, log into your account, click into play in the top left and select play coach. After that, let me just resign that match and start a new one. And after that, start a new match, and you will be given the opportunity to choose your color here, white, black, or random, and select your difficulty level by expanding that drop-down menu. And these levels reach from new to chess up to maximum, which is, I assume, the most difficult or most challenging one. Let me go with intermediate. Click into play and start your match against the computer, of course. Well, that wouldn't work here. And you will see these moves by the computer with a comment, for example, and also the list of your moves here. You may enable hints, you may undo your last move if you're playing practice mode, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.